Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambara and in today's video we are going to make an easy Akash Kandil. This is really very easy that you can make in just 2 minutes followed 5 steps. So the requirements are scissor, glue, pen, fevicol and thread and color peppers. These are go-to paper. I bought these because they are kind of glazy, so it looks good all the time. You can take any of your choice or any which are available in the market. So I just said that you can make this in just 5 steps. So let's begin. First step is folding this paper diagonally 2 times. So here is the one fold and here's the another. This is the center point. Now the second step is folding all the 4 corners to this center point. One, two, three, and 4. Make sure you leave some gap in between. It looks nice. So we have to repeat this step 2 more times. Flip this, then again fold all the 4 corners to the center point. Again flip this and repeat the same. Then flip it. Now we are done with the second step. Here we get the 4 diagonals. At this step we need to open up these 2 opposite side diamonds. So the third step is opening these opposite sided diamonds. So open this and you are halfway done. Now the fourth step is cutting the bottom part, that is strips, and attaching it to this portion. So let's cut the strips. Now cut the strips. You can use any color combination of your choice. Now attach it to this side. Now after attaching this, you have to stick all the folds inside, otherwise it will bother you like this. So stick every fold properly. and press. Now the last step, attaching the thread at these two corners. Use Fevicol. You can use paper instead of thread, but I'm using thread. Ta-da! Here we are done with making Akash Kandil. As I said, this is really very easy. Before shooting this video, I made some more such kandils in so many colors. You can tie this as it is, or you can just add it into a rope, so you can hang the rope anywhere like lights, but I'm gonna hang this into lights. Here I have some light rope. I have a light rope. These are really very easy to make and looks so cute. I just loved it. It looks so simple if you hang this as it is. That's why I'm suggesting you to add this into a light or a rope so that it will look more nice. Lights will add a get up into this. And here I am done with tying. Let me turn on the lights. Oh wow. Just wait, I will show you the exact view. Oh my god, they are looking so cute in so many different colors. The reason why I used light instead of rope, because it looks great with the lights. Please try this at home and let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Please try this at home and tell me in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. Wishing you a happy and bright Diwali in advance. See you soon.